Good morning, Sophie.
Good morning, Aman. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Yeah, I'm good too. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I slept early yesterday. How about you?
Not really. My cat kept waking me up.
Maybe your cat wants a night job.
Yeah, it's just very active at night. Like a ninja.
So, what's your plan for today?
I have work in the morning, then grocery shopping.
Nice. What do you usually buy?
Fruits,
Hey,
vegetables,
there's a
and
magnifying
sometimes too
glass.
much chocolate.
Fun fact chocolate's very important for survival.
Exactly. It's part of my emergency kit.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I like cooking. Yesterday I made pasta.
Yum. I only know how to make noodles.
That's a good start. Want to learn how to make pasta next time?
Sure, but I might burn the kitchen down.
Don't worry, we'll keep a fire extinguisher ready.
So, do you work from home?
Yes, 3 days a week. The rest, I go to the office.
Do you like that?
I do. Home is comfortable, but I miss seeing people.
Same here. Sometimes I talk to my plants.
Do they reply back?
Only when I water them.
That's plant language. Very deep.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, especially for clothes.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes, but I like going to the stores.
Do you like school?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
What are your hobbies?
I like painting and reading.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy and cool.
Do you like the rain?
Only if I stay indoors.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you relax?
Yes, and I sleep a lot too.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had rice and chicken.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love comedies.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I have funny ones. Do you know Mr. Bean?
Ah, yes, he's such a classic.
Exactly. And funny too.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but it's a bit stressful.
What do you work as?
I work in customer service.
What do you do when you're off work?
I visit my grandparents.
What's your favorite food?
I really can't pick, but my ultimate favorite food is pizza because it's tasty, easy to eat, and comes in many flavors. I especially like it with extra cheese and vegetables.
Same. The inventor of pizza was a genius.
What about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning. It gives me the energy for the day and helps me focus better when I study or work.
Oh man, lucky. I wake up so late and have work so early. I can't even have breakfast every day.
How about you try to make the habit of waking up earlier?
What do you usually drink with your lunch? Usually I drink water or juice.
Yeah, same here. Although sometimes I drink tea, especially if the weather is cold or I feel sleepy.
What about fruits? Do you like eating fruits?
Yes, I love eating fruits. They're sweet, healthy, and full of vitamins. What are your favorite fruits?
My favorites are apples, bananas, and oranges. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
What do you eat when you're very hungry?
Hmm. Well, usually when I'm very hungry, I eat rice with vegetables or a big sandwich. However, if I'm lazy, I also like to add some salad and a piece of fruit.
Then what food don't you like?
Well, like I said earlier, I don't like very spicy food. It makes my mouth burn and I feel uncomfortable even if it tastes good, and it makes my stomach hurt.
Agreed. I don't like spicy foods either.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping because it's fun to look at new things. I enjoy going to stores, especially when there are good prices.
Do you use cash or card when shopping?
I mostly use my card because it's easy and safe, but sometimes I pay with cash in small shops or street markets.
What about sales? Do you like sales when you buy things? Do you wait?
Yes, I always wait for sales if I want to buy something expensive. Discounts help me save money and buy more.
Yes, I agree. Sales are amazing.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel because I enjoy seeing new places, meeting different people, learning about new cultures. I usually travel on train or bus. What do you usually travel on?
I like traveling to different countries, so I usually travel by plane.
That's interesting. I traveled by plane once. It was fast and exciting, but I was a little nervous during takeoff and landing.
Do you like traveling with family or friends?
Hmm, that's a difficult question. I really can't decide. I enjoy traveling with my family because, well, they're my family, but I enjoy traveling with my friends because they're funny. What about you?
I like traveling with my family. We talk, laugh, and share memories together. It makes the trip more special for me.
What's your favorite place you have traveled to in the past year?
My favorite place is a small village with beautiful hills and kind people. The weather was nice and it felt peaceful there. Do you take photos when you travel?
Yes, I take many photos. I like to remember the places I've been to. I see and share pictures with my family and friends. Do you like the beach or do you like hiking?
I prefer the beach because I love the sounds of waves walking on the sand and swimming in the sea.
Oh, that's one I disagree on. I like the hills. I like hiking because I can't really swim.
Would you like to travel more in the future? Because there are so many cities and countries.
Yes, I want to travel more. There are so many countries and cities, like you said, that I have not been to yet, and I want to explore them. Maybe sometime we should travel together. If you go out to eat, what do you usually have with your meal?
I usually take a glass of water or sometimes a light juice with lunch. It helps me with digestion and keeps me refreshed.
Same here. I usually have cold water or juice. My favorite drink is orange juice because it's sweet, fresh, and gives me a lot of energy.
What do you need before traveling?
Before traveling, I need to pack my bag, check my tickets, and make sure I have everything I need, like clothes and documents.
Do you travel during holidays?
Yes, I often travel during holidays because I have more free time and I can relax with my family or friends, whoever I travel with.
Do you try new food when you travel?
Yes, I always try new food. It's fun to taste different dishes and learn about the culture through what people eat. Do you like to talk to people when you travel?
Yes, I like talking to local people when I travel. I learn more about the place and sometimes make new friends.
Do you like short trips or long trips?
I like short trips more because they're easy to plan and I don't get too tired from traveling for many hours. Do you need a passport to travel since you only travel by bus?
Yes, I need a passport even if I travel by bus if I go to another country. It shows who I am and lets me cross the border.
What do you do to stay healthy?
To stay healthy, I eat fruits and vegetables, go for walks, and try not to eat too much junk food. Do you exercise each day?
Yes, I don't exercise every day, but I try to move my body at least 3 or 4 times a week by walking or stretching. Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep well at night, about 7 to 8 hours every night, sometimes without my cat disturbing me, thankfully. Good sleep helps my body and mind feel fresh and ready. What about you?
Yes, same here.
Oh, look at the time. I think I have to go. It's getting late.
Bye bye. See you soon.